Hello dear students, welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. Ramnath, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, KIT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, well-known Catechism College, Nashik. Today we are going to deal with the first year B.Sc class, semester 2nd, Zoology paper first. The title of this paper is Animal Diversity Part 2. Today we initiate the chapter number 2, Phylum Annelida, and in that we specifically discuss about the topic is the introduction to Phylum Annelida. Before this, we suggest the prerequisites to you people. You know that in our Catechism library there is present or available the invertebrates books. These books written by the author R.L. Kotwal, and in this book you can specifically go through the lesson number 5. There is how the phylum Annelida detailed information with you. You can go and read this to get good information of phylum Annelida. As well as I also suggest you the one of the textbooks is also available in our Catechism library, that is Animal Diversity Part 2. This book is published by the Vision Publication and written by Dr. V.R. Kote, and it's correct. Mean that you can specifically go to the lesson number 2 with good information and specifically discuss with the in previous session as a economic importance of the phylum Annelida. In that we can specifically discuss about these are all the nematodes, the successful group of phylum Annelida. They show the different mode of life cycle, and in that the parasitic mode of life cycle is very important in the economic importance. We discuss about full detail. Some are the nematodes is act as a parasite to the human. They also commonly called human parasite of nematode worm. Then some nematode worms are parasite to the plants, parasite nematode worms, and the third one, some nematode also parasite to the domestic animal, and these are the domestic animal parasite of nematode. These three parts we already discussed very well in the previous session. We just take the key revision previous lecture. Then in today's session, we are specifically discuss about the introductory information of phylum Annelida, and we also go through the detail about the silent features of the phylum Annelida. These two character or two parameters we discuss in the today's session. In learning objective, you people you can understand the class of phylum Annelida and which are the gender characters of the Annelida. You can understand all the group of Annelida. They are ecologically as well as anthropological importance to the ecological society, ecological niche or human society. You can just go through the introductory information of the phylum Annelida. What is the Annelida? Annelida, that Annelida is meaning like that there is a lethargy. This animal shows a ring-like structure. The number of rings connect together and then form the worm-like picture. This is called as the Annelida, and this first character features of the phylum Annelida. These are the little rings connected to each other, and this means the Annelida. Then the term of Annelida is coined by the one of the scientists. This is known as the Lamarck, and this Annelida is this word is derived from the two words. Which are two words? The first word, it is a Latin word, that is annulus. Annulus, that means ring, and other word, this is a Greek word, philos, means forms. And this ring form animal, this is known as the Annelida or vermiform Annelida ball. There, this ring the range of this animal, how the length of that animal, how the width of that animal. The length of this animal is grows up to the 1 mm, very minute, up to the 3 meter length. Their growth happen by the range starting from the very smaller inside and the larger one side as the 3 meters. They also commonly called as ringworms or roundworms. Then in the Annelida, till today, this phylum Annelida is reported that about 15,000 species of Annelida worm distributed in all over the world. These are the animals have the unique shape and the color variation, the brilliant color variation is observed in the Annelida worm, and you can know that the Annelida they are present on some different character feature of the hemoglobin content is found, and ultimately their color pigmentation is developed in these organisms. You can look at the picture. There is some Annelida worms. There is earthworm, then Hirudinea. These all the worms we can observe. This is the members of the phylum Annelida. You can show that the color pattern that is very insect and the brilliant color structure observed in that the some Annelida worms, they are 3 freshwater habitat, some Annelida worms are the aquatic habitat, some are found in the wetty lands area, like that the Hirudinea or leech. Then what are the silent features of the phylum Annelida? With Annelida, basically this Annelida shows the segmented metazone animal. There is a group of cell, there is metazone animal with segmented body we can observe in the Annelida. Then body of this Annelida body is covered with the cuticle. They are having 13 CT is bears from the ventral side. This CT is used as a locomotor organ, sensory organ of the Annelida. What are the habitat of this phylum Annelida or this animal? They are mostly the animal are found in the marine environment. Some Annelida worms or Annelida animal they found in the fresh water, and some Annelida animals they are free living or parasitic mode of life observed in the environment. As well as some Annelida are burrowing or tube-like nesting habitat they build in the niche area, ecological niche. This is very primary habitat and habitat character features of the phylum Annelida. Then these Annelida are the cosmopolitan distribution observed in this phylum. That means cosmopolitan, that means these animals are distributed in the world area. Then this first group of animals they are found the true cavity, and this true cavity is filled with the two coelom present in this Annelida body. How is look like the body? This body is seen the same like the previous phylum Ascaris. They shows the bilateral symmetry, as well as the Annelida also shows the bilateral symmetry. This worm-like body they are equally, they made it or easy to carry the two equal half part, and therefore they are bilateral symmetrical. Then each body's segment is very distinct and separate very easily, are fully the ring-like structure they are connected, and they are look like they also the each segment is look like the one rings and they anchor together. That is commonly called as the metamerically segmented. Then metamerically segmented, each segment is called as a metamer or soma. This is the body structure analogy we can observe in the Annelida animal. We look at the picture. Here the body is very properly observed here, his whole body, and we can just the visualization is increases, and we see that each ring they are connected together, and from the connectivity together, bilaterally symmetrical, mathematically segmented, and this segment is also known as the somite or metameter. Then you can easily look like this animal shows the wormy form, worm-like body. The body wall consists of the circular and longitudinal. We can just take the section or observe in the internal cavity of the body. We observe the two types of the muscles, the circular muscle as well as the longitudinal muscle. In that animal, they observe the distinct sepalization. That diploblastic, that means this animal developed into the 3 germ, and it also the 2 phylum. The phylum fluid is impossible. The phylum cavity which are the hydrostatic collector. We can look in the picture. There is the present of the 2 cavity with present of the phylum, and they made up with the 3 germ. There is ectoderm, then endoderm, and the mesoderm. The first segment of this any animal, this is the entire side of the mouth region. This is known as the prostomium area, and the last segment part is known as the pygidium. We can look at the pictures. Here we see that the entire the mouth is around the present of the an important cell or area is there. This is known as peritoneum, then mouth, and ceta. Also present of the next genital organ in the below. The lower part of this animal body is known as the pygidium. Next, in that animal body, the digestive system is complete, and the modern mesoderm is inside the body wall and outside the digestive system. You can observe in that. You can look in the pictures. It's like that. There is a mesoderm inside the outside the digestive tract, and we look this tract of digestive system how that is expanded. Similarly, there is present of the excretion in that animal body. The annelida, the excretion is carried by the extracellular present of the nephridia, and this nephridia is helping for the excretion organ. You can look with the metanephridia and the nephridia. We are observing the body surface of the earth. Then the nervous system in that animal, this animal consists of the pair of oral ganglia, then circumpharyngeal connect with the ganglionated with pair of ventral nerve cord at its segment. You can look at the picture. This is a nerve pubis and the peripheral nerve. It is present in the ventral side and easy to expand. Then blood circulation. You can observe here the red tubular structure. This is the artery, and inside the body there is red versus liquid hemoglobin. Ultimately, that animal shows the very red in color, and in the blood the consists of the red pigmentation as erythrocyte is there, and hemoglobin is present in the RBC, and therefore red blood observed in the Phylum Annelida. Then respiration. The some Annelida, the respiration takes place through the body surface area, or sometimes respiration takes place through the gill of parapodia. This is 2 mode of life cycle, as depend on the how the environment of the around the animal body, that they take the decision how do the respiration of that. Then reproductive system. In that the all Annelida, they show the sexes are separated, but the sexual separated character feature is also observed in the polychaeta, and some are united in the Olympida and Iridia. That means the polychaeta observe the small polychaeta, they are observed united, the sexes found in the same body, as well as in Hirudina, there is sexes are solution. The sexes are separate in poly class Polychaeta, as well as sexes are united in Oligochaeta and Hirudina. They are hermaphrodite animal. In that, there is indirect development observed in the all Annelida groups, and the larva, if the larva is present in the some Annelida animal, this larva is known as the Locosphere larva. You can look in the picture. This is a Locosphere larva. You can also the some hairlet in the three major area. Look at the tetragonal picture. They show the modified and sedentary free living life, or sometimes they are parasitic mode of life in the environment. Simply, the very simple reflection point is that how many species are reported in the phylum Annelida in the world over, and is it show the parasitic mode of life in the phylum Annelida? That both answer question you get in the, you can go to the learn this lecture, you get the answer of this question. This time for you. This is very small assignment for the today's session. You can write the detailed silent features of the phylum Annelida, and this Annelida we can go through this part. This assignment you can complete it, write detailed character features of the phylum Annelida, and then upload our Google Classroom, as well as you can also mail me ramnath@ktcomcollege.ac.in. We can just go to the quick review of the today's session. In the today's session, first we discuss about the introductory information of the phylum Annelida. They are for the ringworm and cosmopolitan distribution, as well as we also discuss about the gender characters of the Annelida with character features. Okay. Now in next lecture we also discuss about the classification of the Annelida with example on the each class level, and we are discuss about the very first class, the Polychaeta, we discuss in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.